Hello everyone and welcome back to the Devlog for Real Communism, my city builder game. Let's check out this past week's progress. As I briefly mentioned in last week's video, I started working on the truck pathfinding last week, and I picked back up on it to start this week. It's definitely in a better spot where it mostly works, but it's definitely not perfect yet. The goal is that the player can assign a route and the truck will find the best possible route from the warehouse to the pickup to the delivery. Something is not working though. In the first iteration of the route, the truck will typically get from the warehouse to the pickup to the delivery fine, but after that, it will not stay on the road when going back to the warehouse or pickup location. I can't figure out why at this moment. I put a lot of time into it this week trying to figure that out and changing the location of the truck to be on the side of the road as it travels. There's still a lot of bugs to work out in this system, but it's still functional with the truck picking up the proper items in the proper amounts and taking them to the correct location and transferring the inventory appropriately. After getting frustrated and not making any progress on fixing the issue with the truck pathfinding, I decided to work on another task. So I made a new building, the brewery. The brewery will be used to, well, brew. It's also the first building that I've added an animation to. I added a Niagara particle smoke system to the building, which I think looks pretty good to be honest. To test out the building and make sure it's working properly, I also added an additional food item, beer. In order to make beer, the brewery will need to be stocked with hops, barley, and yeast. Not too bad of a week, but it was pretty frustrating not being able to fix the issue with the truck pathfinding. And now I'm even questioning if I should even build my own pathfinding system. Using something from the Unreal Engine marketplace would probably be easier, but I really want to learn all of these processes, and I also want to be able to say that everything in the game is something that I made. We'll just have to continue to see how it goes, I guess. If you haven't already, please wishlist the game on Steam. You can find a link to that in the description. And if you want to keep up with the development progress of this game, please subscribe to this channel. If you prefer smaller, more frequent updates, you can follow me on X/Twitter at HaydenMarlowe_ or on TikTok at Marlowe Development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.